Hello, today I am making a reindeer in a forest. It is a very easy drawing. See carefully how I am making it. First doing head, then ears. Now make body and legs. Deer has two beautiful horns and making some spots. Now I am making a background. This is a forest, so you can add lots of grasses, trees, bush, etc. And you can add other animals also. I am making a very simple background. Okay, now I am doing a outline on it, so it's look in very detailed. Do it very carefully. I'm done. See, I did not make outline on the body spots because I will make it with colors. Now you can add some birds. Oh, I am using a CD marker pen for outlining. I will show you in next video how I am shading with oil pastel colors. Okay, bye.